do I have a flannel on? It's KK. Uh-oh, guys. Oh god, no, oh my god.
Bruh.
We're back with Animal Crossing New Horizons. This is day 2. Yeah, let's just play. Island-wide broadcast. Okay, so every day he says something. Wow, look at my house. This is my new house. So it's got a purple roof. It's kind of like dark blue, to be honest. We have a lot of mail. Okay, my goodness. So I've learned how you can order your inventory. You basically need to hold, like press A to hold, and then you can move your stuff, which is very nice. I also learned how you can craft super fast, which is great. So when you craft something, you need to like spam A. Look, see, that's a lot faster than normal, which is great. I caught a lot of bugs, stuff like that. And fishes and stuff, just for the museum, basically. I planted a lot of trees. Look, here's the museum, so that's new. Okay, we need 6 more. 6 more. That's easy. Whoa, it's even bigger. I didn't even know that. Turn the lights on or off. Enter decorating mode. Open storage. Ooh, we got storage now too. That's crazy. Let's go. 1 more donation for the museum, guys. We need to find something. We need to catch a bug. I got you, bro. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? On the 2nd day? Gulliver? Oh, bro, his phone broke. Damn. Should we go to the other island? I think I'm ready. How do I do this? Whoa! We've entered new territory. Yes, the museum is opening. The money trick. No. So that's the money rock. Damn. But every day it's another rock. But I didn't do the trick right. What? Nice. Bam. What is it? Rat and stool. Okay. There we go. Should I change up my look? Yep. Let's see what's up. So, oh, that's nice. Okay. We can choose more hairstyles than last time. That's great. I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, we're done. That's all. I really only changed my hair, to be honest, but it was necessary, bro. Okay, we're done. Our house looks good. I'm happy, bro. Day 3. Let's go. And our house got upgraded. Hey. Yeah, the hoi tea. Hoi. It's kind of funny. That's Dutch for hello, basically. Yo, we got the corona mask. We're safe. Look at that. Yo, our house got upgraded, so we need to move stuff. Nice, our house looks good. So let's see what's up around here. Yeah, the palm trees are growing. Look, this is everything I caught for the museum, but I still gotta wait a day. 1 day. And this big ass thing, yo, that thing is chilling over there. Okay, so this is the museum, or at least it's gonna be the museum. Should we go in Nook's Granny? See what's up. Yo, that's what's her name? Sable, I think, or Abel. I don't know. Mabel. Haha. Of course, I knew that. Free interest. Damn, bro. 3 people that's gonna move in. That's great. So where should they live? Whoa. I need 4 log stakes. That's easy. Let's see. Yes, perfect. This is the spot. Bam. Hold on. Boom! Money! 1,000 bells. Let's go. And for the first time ever, we can go to the upper edges of the island. Let's go! Look at this shit. Hey, new land to explore. Hey, let's go. This is exciting, dude. Yeah. Boom. Bam. Money rock. Let's get everything. Hey, we got everything. Let's go. We are gonna go on an island adventure. We are gonna fly out to another island. Let's go. Bam. Bro, we are grinding. Whoa. What is that? Is that gold? Hold on. Indeed, that is gold. What can we do with that? So when you eat fruit and go up to a tree or bamboo tree, whatever it is, you gotta see this. Hold on, look. You guys have to see this. So you grab your shovel, doesn't matter what shovel. Then once you eat fruit, you can pick up whole trees. So that's been it for this island trip. I'm going back day 4 of Animal Crossing New Horizons. Let's go. We got mail. Oh, I'm getting called. What the hell? Timmy. Yep. Just got 100,000, bro. So yeah, I did upgrade my house again. Yo, guys, it's a lot of boring off-screen work that I'm doing, okay? Yeah, so I try to upgrade my house every day, but it's really hard. But hopefully hopefully I can, you know, I'll be able to do that. Wow, here's the museum. Damn! This is crazy. But damn, it looks good in real life. So I'm wondering. No, there's nothing upstairs. Yeah, let's go talk to her. I'll buy the kimono. Why not? No, but I'm buying everything because that's the fastest way how you can unlock her shop. Basically. Every time she's here, you gotta buy everything to unlock her shop. The fastest way, basically. That's why I'm doing that. Okay, but first, let's hold this ceremony. I did it. Let's go. In the crib. I hope so. So damn. We should check out the other room. Hold on. We should check out this room. Nice. Oh goodness. No. Oh my god. On camera. Shit. My reputation is gone. Oh, we're fixed. Never mind, guys. Nothing happened. Resident services is closed due to construction. Okay. A beautiful morning. And my house got upgraded again. So my house got another room. Ta-da. Hey. Yeah, so I planted a lot of flowers. The resident services is in construction. So we have a lot of new people that moved in, like 3 new people. The houses are done, so yeah, there's that. Money tree. Bam. Damn, I slipped the second one. I slipped on the second one. Wait, what? I messed up on the second one. And as you can see, day 7 of Animal Crossing New Horizons, and boom, we got the town hall. We got the upgraded resident services town hall thing. I'm very excited. New island staff. Is it Isabel? Yep. Knew it. Now hold on, before we go to the town hall, I hope I succeeded on this. Yes, the money tree. Let's go. It worked. Let's get this. Ooh. Ooh. That's a whole lot of money. Okay, that's enough for that. Now let's go check out this town hall. Oh damn, it even got street lights. Damn! Boom. Yeah. Hold on, let me imagine it. Let's see. I mean, that's fire. If that's possible. Oh, it is. Nice. I mean, it's a cool spot. Don't get it twisted. Okay, we'll go. Oh, you need to click on confirm. I didn't see that. Okay. Dope. I want a brick bridge. Yes, please. Dope. Yo, the gyroid. Lloyd. What's up? Now, I think that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this Animal Crossing New Horizons video. I really appreciate that. This was basically 7 days compiled in one big 10-minute plus video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.